Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something incredible to share with you, the amazing benefits of using olive oil. Olive oil is not just a kitchen staple. Number 1. Improves sex life. Olive oil can be considered the best oil for the penis. Olive oil contains many types of vitamins, minerals, and fats. In such a situation, applying olive oil to the penis can improve sex life. This can give strength to the weak gender of men. Number 2. Increase sex timing. Applying olive oil to the penis can improve blood flow. This can strengthen the penis, as well as cure the problem of premature ejaculation. But if there is premature ejaculation due to some health problem, then olive oil may not be beneficial in it. Number 3. Strengthen penis. It is believed that if the penis is massaged with olive oil regularly, it can make the penis stronger. Sometimes due to the weakness of the penis, men face difficulty in getting an erection. In such a situation, men are not able to have sex, which affects their sex life and mental health. If anyone finds it difficult to make an erection or cannot have sex for a long time, then applying olive oil to the penis can be beneficial. Number 4. Relieve penis stress. Many times there is more tension in the penis, due to which intercourse becomes difficult. In this case, the penis can be massaged with olive oil. Applying olive oil to the penis can relieve stress and make the penis hard. Number 5. Skin care. Host, olive oil isn't just for the kitchen. It's a fantastic natural moisturizer. Apply it to your skin to keep it soft, hydrated, and radiant. The top 5 benefits of using olive oil. It's a true powerhouse in the world of natural remedies and culinary delights. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends and family. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.